Okay, now I'm gonna show you the Agfa Optima that I have. This is the Agfa Optima. This camera is quite interesting. It's very solid. Yeah. So this is the front, back, top, bottom. You can see the lens. This one comes with like a flash kind of unit. It's interesting. Not sure how it works, but let me show you how it looks like. So you can see like this, and actually this one can open. Like whoa, like it's like a fan. Very interesting. But don't know how it works. So now I will show you the camera itself. So here is where you wind the shutter, and here is where you fire. Let me show you the film compartment. So this is a film compartment, you can see. So it's supposed to be aperture priority, but personally I'm not sure if the light meter is still working. That one I'm not sure, but I'm selling it at a good discount also. So there you go, wind it, then press this part to fire. So you can see, so bulb mode works. You can see that bulb mode works. Then okay, let me also show you the optical conditions. Show you the glass. I'm not sure what's the dot. Maybe it's a dust, I'm not sure. Okay, so let me set it to flash mode. So yeah, flash mode works. Now let me set it to aperture priority mode. So yes, it works. Okay, let's see if I can show you if the light meter works. I'm not sure if it works, so that's the issue. So let me tune up the light. Let us hear if it sounds different. Okay, let me tune down the light. Does it sound a bit slow to you? Okay, let me on the light, but cover the light meter. Okay, let me see how to do this. Okay, I'm gonna cover it here. And I'm gonna fire. It does sound slower. So yeah. So this is as good as I have. So I'm selling it as it is with a good discount. So if you're interested, please feel free to let me know. Thanks. See you.